Menteri Rangba akan jelau Conrad kongkal sangma haka khat artrik ujemang arhajar arpuar. Ulalum ke Jingialang jongka coordination committee jongka sarkar senrop lang ya kebelawan benishim benta di Jingialang jongki sengsan pertai ibran hapok ke sarkar MDA. Conrad kongkal sangma uloong baga jinglum ya kene ke Jingialang kalong bandon ka jingsngo ya jan hapadeng kinong tauan bat kinong yalam jongki sengsan pertai. Naga benta benatai sani halor ki babun kimat. Ulang bagi lekran harga bayadai berka kampen bet uput usam balai kejing pencai ginong yalam bad amsyam ladan kanu kanu kejing Dawa ban penbet Thymmai biang ya kasos kular ke blesoi hapdeng ke Asam bat ke Meghalaya. Nalor kani ulang bagi nong yalam hak sarkar senrop lang kelapen pawe kejing sengokya ya kimat ke bayadai bat ke pulih putih kam tam halor ke kuwet. Menteri Rangba uleto bakat ba kidang syong Jingialang layo eksiti kepala pak Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke sarkar pedeng haka bala kedau syai bagi college kila ban peteng ya kerukom pediang ya ki admission ya ki kena kum bagi Juliet mencua bat kam 4 dan kam ban penteri kam ya ka kuwet.
So basically they had some concerns about the border issues, so we had given them clarifications on the border issue. Then they had concerns about some of the issues of education, about the CUET and other things. So while we were in the meeting, the letter from Dharmendra Pradhanji also came in, so it was a good timing for us in one way. And where Mr. Dharmendra Pradhanji has specifically mentioned that the other colleges can continue their admissions on the basis of how they used to do before, which means that CUT will not have to be taken. Apart from that, there were other concerns that were being raised by them, which we tried to address. And so that was it. So as I said, it's a regular meeting in which we try to have every now and then. So that's all in the coordination committee.
Haga bedai berkuhukum ke belapan mi de yang syari Meghalaya High Court bagalapan kut no ek sumoto ke bedai bagajing penkrai ek roster system haga jing pentrai kam ek reservation policy ne ke bahak thungkam. Hendrai ke jingkhang ban thungkam Thymmai kan yai biteng. Tak hado belapan nap iki kam ke balat ke beriu ke bedai hok ban yo ek kam. Nagaliang Conrad kongkal sangma ulang bagi sarkar kan habban pendaplut ki kam ki jam haga berpentrai kam ke roster system. Barban ai kijing tip ki babunia alor kijing tungkam naduk kapor bala pentrai kam ke reservation policy ni naduk beladon ya ki kada. Kitrat sarkar kan habban krea igini kijing tip baro bad hadian bagi ladap ban penbiang ki kijing dan kam baro kin salak ban ya cakmat bad kijing tungkam tungjam bad kidai ban pentikena bagrukom tungkam kadai ban ya katkum ke roster system.
So basically, it's a very simple point. The point is that the government will have to complete the entire process of actually implementing the roster system and giving the whole details of the appointments that were made, from the point in time where the policy came in or from the point in time where the cadre came into existence. So those details will have to be worked out by each of the departments. And as and when each department does it, then they can go ahead with the recruitment, they can go ahead with the appointments. So it's not that it's going to go back to court. So court has given instructions that every department will have to ensure that the roster system is applied. So if there's a department that can do it by tomorrow, they can start appointing tomorrow itself. The department, particular bigger department, having much more numbers and a long history, may require a week, 10 days, or maybe a month. So as soon as they finish their own internal exercise, they can go ahead with the appointments. So that's what it is.